Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable birthday notification on Facebook. So let's start. First open the Facebook app. Now tap on three bars on top right corner. Scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. Now keep scrolling down. Under Notification section you will see Notification Settings. Tap on that. Now tap on Birthdays. If your birthday notifications are disabled, you have to enable that. And you have to make sure that all the options are enabled. And from now on, you will receive your friends' birthday notifications. And that's how you can enable birthday notification on Facebook. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.